Hey, I got a question for you. Do your headlights look like this? And do you wish that they looked like this? If you said yes, you clicked on the right video. Today, I'm going to be showing you the perfect product that I found that you can use on your headlights, and it takes less than 5 minutes, and you can get it at Walmart or Meijer or any auto parts store, so stay tuned. Before I start the video, I just want to say thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch our videos, and if you're new to DNA Drives, consider subscribing down below. My name's Garrett and I have a 2012 5.0 Mustang, and along with the other co-founder of the channel, his name's Walker, and he does a lot of content on his dad's 300 SRT, so if you like Mustangs and 300 SRTs or both, please consider subscribing today. Thank you. Alright, so let's get into it. So this is the product. It's a Turtle Wax brand product. It's called Headlight Lens Restorer. I got this at Walmart, I think for about 10 bucks. I've had this exact one for probably a year and a half, so I can't remember exactly how much I paid for it, but I know I got it at Walmart, and there are a couple cons and a couple pros for using this product. So I'll start with the bad. The bad, it only lasts for a few months, and well, that's the only bad. I guess there's not more than one bad, or one con. And then for the pros, it's easy to apply, it takes less than 5 minutes, and you get a beautiful finish at the end. So I highly recommend you go out and try one of these. And by the way, no, this is not a sponsored video, so I don't get paid for promoting this. I just really like the product and I recommend it, and it looks great, so let's get into it. So when you buy the product, what you get inside is their spray lubricant, lens clarifying compound, and 2 of these hard scuff pads. Instructions are listed on the back. Step 1. Wash headlight lens to remove surface dirt. Alright, now that we washed the headlight, now it's time to move to step 2. Step 2 says apply lens clarifying compound to a cotton cloth and rub over entire lens using firm pressure. Buff with a clean terry cloth. For step 3, I'm going to be putting some of this on an old rag or a microfiber cloth, whichever one is more convenient for you, whatever one you have. I'm going to be using an old rag because I'm just going to pitch the thing after I'm done.